Welcome to our guide on organizing events on Discord. Discover why this platform is perfect for gathering communities online. Let's set up your server. Start by creating specific channels dedicated to your event and defining roles for participants. Creating channels and assigning roles is crucial. This ensures everyone knows where to go and what their responsibilities are. Now, let's dive into the Discord events feature. Follow along as we take you step by step through the creation process. Promotion is key. Here are some best practices to get the word out about your event effectively. As a moderator, you'll need the right tools to manage your event. Let's explore techniques to ensure everything runs smoothly. After the event, gathering feedback is essential. Learn effective strategies to assess participant satisfaction and areas for improvement. Let's level up your event organization. Discover how to utilize Discord bots to automate tasks and streamline your events. In conclusion, Discord is a powerful tool for event hosting. Let's look at future trends that can further enhance this platform.